This is my 9'9" Guide Select Pro by Okuma. I'll be using this today for whipping, which is spin casting with the Okuma Helios SX. This is the 40, this is the high speed. You also got a low speed, but I'm using the high speed today with 15-pound test Eminent Braid by Soft Steel. Good morning, YouTubers. This is Scuba Chris. I'm on location. I'm gonna try out my Okuma Guide Select Pro. This is two-piece, 9'9", and this is the new predecessor of the T40X. Okay, so this will take line from 8 to 17 pounds. That's the rating, and you can use 3/8 to 1 ounce. Okay, so how I got this set up? I'm using a Helios. This is the high speed model. This is the 40. You got two. You get the 40 high speed and low speed. This is the high speed. And the low speed is normally what you want to do for slower retrieve, like for catfish, other things like that. High speed is for whipping, which we call spin casting here in Hawaii. Alrighty, so this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1. So 9 guides plus the tip. And what I'm using here is I got 15-pound test braid. This is soft steel Eminent Braid. On the tip, we're using right here. I'm using a 3-way swivel because I'm going to be dunking some smaller baits later on with this too. So I just figure use a 3 ounce. And right here, this is a 3/8 ounce lead. All right, so on this I have about roughly 7.5 feet of leader. This is 15-pound test fluorocarbon leader. At the end, right here, I tie that to a number 4 hook because I'm going light. If I get something big, it'll be a battle. Got a little red bead. This is actually a crystal bead from Austria. It has a mirrored finish on the inside, so when in the light, it really just boom reflects everything. And I'm going to be using a grub. This is from Landon Yamamoto of CHL Completely Hooked Lures. This is called a minnow grub, and this color is called Old Baby. It's the orange. It's very good for jacks. I've done very well with this. So this is we call this in Hawaii whipping setup. So we just whipping from the shoreline. Most people would term this as spin casting, but this is what I'll be using today. So wish me luck, guys. Thank you.